Hello everyone. Welcome to the CRM Fundamental Course mobile part. The features of the mobile app are similar to the PC version, but the interface will differ. In this mobile part of the CRM Fundamental Course, we will learn about business requirements analysis and prototyping. First, we will introduce the benefit and cost of the mobile app, followed by key points for mobile design, workflow of main users, and the information structure. In the prototyping section, we will start by creating mobile icons and controls, then move on to creating the navigation framework, creating all pages, and finally, turning the prototype into an interactive demo. Why develop a CRM application for mobile devices? What are the benefits and what are the costs? The benefit of developing a CRM mobile app is that it allows employees to handle various business tasks anytime and anywhere. Additionally, the mobile dashboard and push notification features enable employees to stay up to date on changes and take prompt action. Take our product as an example. Our CRM mobile app integrates multiple data sources to provide high-quality customer data. Salespeople can view customer information, sales data, and communicate effectively with customers in real time while on the go. Meanwhile, the app provides powerful data analysis capabilities, assisting management teams in gaining timely insights into sales performance, market trends, and other essential information. Salespeople can access customer information, sales data, and communicate effectively with customers. Management teams can obtain timely insights into sales performance. Given these benefits, what are the costs of developing a mobile app? The primary cost is human resources. The influencing factors of human resource costs are mainly time and headcount. If a CRM already exists on PC, the estimated development time for a mobile app could vary from several weeks to several months, depending on the desired feature's complexity and the development team's expertise. Developing a CRM mobile app requires a product manager, an Android developer, an iOS developer, a UI/UX designer, and a QA/tester, among others. By calculating the invested human resource cost, you can determine the main cost of developing the mobile app. It's worth noting that in addition to human resource costs, there are other expenses like office supplies, equipment costs, venue rental, and daily expenses. Considering all these factors, we estimate the cost of developing this mobile app to be around $250 million. This is the development cost of a moderately complex mobile CRM app in the US. The interface design for mobile devices differs from that of desktops. We cannot simply shrink the desktop interface and put it on a mobile screen. Due to the different device properties, the influencing factors on people also vary, so we must consider these factors in our design. For instance, the screen size difference between a mobile phone and a PC affects the amount of information displayed. Since mobile screens are smaller, we cannot fully display a large amount of information. Therefore, key information is shown up front, while other details are folded or prioritized. In terms of layout, we often adopt a single-column layout. Additionally, the screen orientation differs between mobile phones and PCs, affecting our choice of using swipe or pagination. On mobile devices, portrait mode is commonly used, so we swipe up and down to reveal more content. Pagination buttons are used sparingly, and cards are employed as an alternative to tables. We typically use a mouse for PC operations and fingers for mobile phone operations. The precision of interactive areas differs between a mouse and fingers. Due to the limited precision of fingers, we increase the size of interactive controls. Vital controls are often placed at the bottom of the screen for easier access. PCs are not as portable as mobile phones, which can be moved easily. Hence, the suitability for different tasks varies between PCs and mobile phones. Because of the mobility of mobile devices, message push notifications and location-aware functionalities are frequently prioritized. Let's look at a few examples of how PC interfaces are adapted for mobile devices. Firstly, we can see that the content of PC table rows is transformed into cards. Generally, mobile designs avoid using tables since table content may not display completely on a mobile screen, making it inconvenient to view. Instead, cards are adopted to showcase the most crucial information at a glance. Less important details can be omitted from the card. Clicking on the card reveals more information. In this example, key information like customer intent, lead status, last follow-up date, and next follow-up date are displayed on the card, while other details are omitted. Another example is the transition from PC pagination buttons to mobile swiping. Due to the limited space on mobile devices, swiping is often used instead of pagination buttons to reveal more content. Swiping is more convenient and efficient with gesture controls. Scroll bars are generally for display purposes only. The next example concerns button size. Since a PC mouse offers higher sensitivity than fingers on a mobile device, buttons need to be larger. We use a full-width button for the important actions. The following example illustrates the position of action buttons. On a PC, important buttons can be placed anywhere on the screen. However, on mobile devices, they are typically positioned at the bottom of the screen for easy access and space efficiency. For instance, consider the bottom navigation of the iOS App Store. After understanding the key points of mobile design, let's explore the workflow of main users in a mobile CRM app. These conclusions are based on our research of target users. While situations may vary among companies, most follow a similar workflow. Two primary user groups frequently utilize mobile CRM apps: salespeople and executives. The workflow for salespeople typically involves signing into the CRM system, reviewing their daily schedule and task assignments, viewing crucial notifications, managing tasks, updating customer information and follow-up plans, and accessing the dashboard for insights. On the other hand, executives follow a different workflow: signing in and getting an overview, monitoring the sales pipeline, gaining customer insights, conducting data analysis and reporting, and making strategic decisions. After analyzing the workflow of main users, we can derive the app's information structure. At the topmost level is the sign-in page. The next tier consists of Home, Dashboard, Notifications, and Me pages, accessible from the main navigation. These pages contain frequently used features. Specifically, the Home page features common functions and a calendar. The Me page, similar to other apps, includes account, settings, and profile sections. This app's information architecture is relatively flat, allowing users to quickly find desired content. In the upcoming lessons, we will prototype the main navigation framework and all pages based on this information architecture. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.